Hello guys, welcome to you all in this new JavaScript useful snippet series. So in this series we are gonna basically talk about some shortcodes which is useful in your JavaScript development. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go down below and subscribe it right now. So you will get notification whenever I'll upload a new episode in this series. Now let's get started. So in this episode we are gonna talk about capitalize function which will be used and which can be used whenever we wanted to just convert our first character of word into uppercase, or we wanted to make our word as capitalize. So for that I'm gonna just first create a constant and name it as a capitalize, and in that function I'm gonna just destruct my whatever parameter I'm gonna get. I'll just destruct and make it first index as a first, and I'll just rest indexes I'll gonna just make it spread and name it as a rest. So if you don't know about destructing and spreading operator, please first go and check out my previous tutorials on spreading and distributing operator of ES6. So there you can learn what is a spreading and distributing operator is. Now in return function I'm gonna just convert my first character to uppercase, and I'm gonna just concat my rest of characters. So rest will be like array, right? So I'm gonna just join it with empty string, so it will be like concat it at and string. Now I'm gonna just concat both of things and return it to my from my capitalize function, right? Now on the next let's see and let's pass an value and let's see what is the result of it. So I'm gonna just store it into result and pass some random foo bar string into it, where my f is my in lowercase. So now let's console it out. Okay, so in result you can see my first character is converted into uppercase and my whole word is converted into capitalized. So like this, whenever we wanted to convert our whole word to capital, then we can use these functions. So thank you very much guys to watch this episode, and please hit like button if you found it informative, as well as share with your friends and colleagues, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, so I will upload a new more and more episode like this.